In this video, I will show you how to download and install Showmax on your Samsung Smart TV. So first things first, you want to make sure that your Samsung Smart TV is actually connected to the internet, and then you just want to use your remote control to navigate to the Samsung App Store using these navigation buttons over here. So just navigate horizontally to the left hand side until you get to apps, which is basically the Samsung App Store. Now go ahead and select apps. Now from the App Store, what you want to do is to just navigate to the top search bar over here on your Samsung Smart TV. So you just want to navigate to the top until you get to this search icon over here. And from this search input feed over here, you want to go ahead and type Showmax. And even before I finish typing, you can literally see the Showmax suggestion over here on my Samsung Smart TV. So what I'll just do is to scroll over to the top and then go ahead and select Showmax over here. And from this app page, I'll just go ahead and click on the install button. And this is just going to take a minute or two for the Showmax app to fully download and install into my Samsung Smart TV. Now once it is downloaded and installed, you can go ahead and open it up by just clicking on the open button over here. And now we finally have the Showmax app running smoothly on our Samsung Smart TV. If you already have a Showmax account, you can go ahead and sign in directly from here by just clicking on the sign in button over here, and you should be able to just enter your email and your password and then sign into the Showmax on your Samsung Smart TV. Alternatively, if you actually do not have an account, then you want to go over to get started, which will now take you to the account creation page when you can actually create an account. Basically what you want to do from here is to go ahead and scan the QR code over here using your phone's camera, which will automatically take you to the Showmax website where you can now officially enter your account creation details and an account will be created for you. And finally, if you come over to the home of your Samsung Smart TV now and just go over to the app section, you can literally see that Showmax has been added to the list of apps on our Samsung Smart TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.